Unang-una, wala kaming kinalaman sa anumang destabilization.
LP, you mean?
Yes, the LP. We believe that any destab move will weaken our constitutional democracy. Nothing contrary to the Constitution. Diba?
Pero merong concern ng PDP laban because the LP daw will be sending a contingent to a human rights forum sa UN to present the EJ case, the alleged EJ case against President Duterte?
Hindi, walang ganung ang LP.
LP delegation going abroad.
There is an LP delegation going to South Africa.
Human rights.
But that is not the UN.
But it's a human rights forum.
No, it's not a human rights forum. It's a forum on democracy.
Oh yeah.
So hindi siya
It's a regular thing.
Yes, yes.
But the PDP laban is expressing concern on that over that delegation.
Well, the administration is expressing a lot of concerns about a lot of things.
Paranoid?
Yung DFA Commission on Appointments hearings ni Secretary Yasay, LP destab daw. Yung problema daw sa PCA na nag-aaway yung administrator nila at yung
PCA was under you, di ba?
Oh, PCA board. LP daw ang may kinalaman. Meron daw mga LP na nagbayad ng mga testigo para mag-recant dito sa DOJ na eventually nag-recant din at sinabi hindi totoo. So, kami ang pinaka-paboritong ituturo.
Yung mga LP daw nag-finance sa New York Times media, anti-Rod Duterte sa New York Times.
Ang biro ko nga hindi nga hirap na kami makapag-meeting mag-finance pa at mag-ano ng mga
yung supporters daw niya sa US, specifically
I think
Nicolas.
this is baseless and unfounded. The LP is not in any position and will not, under my leadership, allow any extra constitutional. Pagka kami ay may mga tinututulan, sinasabi destab. Diba?
Obstructionist.
But we are in a democracy, and in a democracy there has to be
dissent.
Contrary opinions are respected and recognized, and not dismissed as destabilization or kasi wala namang perpektong gobyerno, noon pa man hanggang sa ngayon. There is no such thing as a perfect government, and there's no such thing as a perfect president. All presidents make mistakes, and if we point out some of what we believe to be lapses or need correcting, that is not. Diba? There is nothing wrong with that under a constitutional democracy. Sana, pag kami pumupuna, hindi dapat i-conclude na kami obstructionist. Madaling gawin, yun ang pinakamadaling sabihin. Iba yung pupuna at magiging check. We act as a check and a balance on the executive department. Iba dapat ganun, Pero hindi rin naman pwedeng, kumbaga sa we will support measures that we think are going to help the country. Pero hindi naman pwedeng administration right or wrong. Diba? Kahit na yung taong bayan, alangan namang sasabihin nila, alangan naman ang ine-expect nila sa amin pag may kalokohan, mananahimik kami.